everyone, I am Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about a premium residential project in North Bangalore, and the name of this project is Embassy Verde, located within the iconic Embassy Spring Township in Devanahalli. In this video, we will cover project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Embassy Verde is a premium residential development that offers a perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and modern living within a large integrated township. It is designed for people who want a balanced lifestyle with open spaces, good infrastructure, and long term growth potential. Now let's take a look at the key highlights of the project. So it is located within the massive 288-acre Embassy Spring Township and is spread across total 9-acre land parcel. The project offers well-designed 1, 2 and 3 BHK apartment with the sizes ranging from 601 to 1344 square feet. And this project is developed by Embassy Group, a well-known and trusted brand, and it focuses on modern urban living with a plenty of open space, and overall it is ideal for families, working professionals and investors. Talking about the location and connectivity, so the project is strategically located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore, just off Airport Road, which is one of the fastest growing real estate corridor in the city. From your Shell Technology Center is about 10 minutes away. The Kempegowda International Airport is around 20 minutes away. Yelahanka can be reached in 25 minutes and the Thani Sandra is about 30 minutes. School, hospitals and daily convenience options are also all within 15 minutes. With ongoing infrastructure development and proximity to the airports, this location is strong growth potential. Talking about the amenities and lifestyle, so Embassy Verde offers thoughtfully designed amenities that support a modern and comfortable lifestyle. Residents will have access to the clubhouse, swimming pool, sport court and community spaces. The project also features an arrival plaza. It is designed to offer a peaceful community focused on modern living experience. If we talk about the pricing and configuration, so the project offers multiple configurations to suit different needs. The 1 BHK units range from 601 to 663 square feet, starting at 66 lakh rupees onwards. The 2 BHK units are around 946 to 948 square feet, starting from 1.01 crore rupees onwards. The 2.5 BHK configurations comes at around 1108 square feet with the prices starting from 1.17 crore rupees onwards. And the 3 BHK units range from 1274 to 1344 square feet, starting at 1.33 crore rupees onwards. Now let's talk about the booking process. So Embassy Verde is a great opportunity for buyers looking to own a premium home within a large township ecosystem in North Bangalore. With its strategic location near the airport, a trusted developer and a well-planned infrastructure, it works well for both end users and long-term investors. If you are looking for a modern, well-connected and future-ready home in Bangalore, then Embassy Verde is definitely worth considering. For brochure, pricing details or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with a developer for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.